Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Linda, and this is For the Record, Your Honor. Official. Japan names 2025 Ironman Motocross of Nations team, and it looks like it's featuring Joe Shimoda. Team Japan has officially announced their rider lineup for the 2025 edition of the prestigious Monster Energy FIM Motocross of Nations, set to take place at Ironman Raceway in Crawfordsville, Indiana. And this comes to you from an article from GateDrop.com. Flying the flag for Japan on the world stage will be Joe Shimoda, Honda, in the MXGP class. Soya Nakayama, Yamaha, in MX2, and Yuki Okura, Honda, in the open category. The trio will be managed by Takeru Atsuta, the race director of all Japan Motocross Championships. After years of steady progress, Team Japan heads to the United States with a clear mission to qualify directly for the main event and deliver their best ever results at the race. The following announcement was made via MXGP.com. The members of the Japanese national team Motocross of the Nations 2025 will be held at Ironman Raceway in Crawfordsville, Indiana, USA, have been announced. The three who will compete for the honor of the Japanese motocross history at the MXON are, and here's who we listed earlier. The Japanese national team will aim to achieve their long-cherished goal of qualifying and achieving their best result to date of finishing in the top 5. And here's all three. All right, Joe Shimoda.